Let's go to Colombia! After 24 hours, 3 flights, 3 different countries, we made it to Colombia. But I'm gonna stop filming here because it's gonna be a very emotional thing when she sees her parents for the first time in 3 years.
Yes.
Goodbye. So I have made it to the capital city of Colombia, which is Bogota. This is where my partner's brother and his partner and kids live. So we're staying here for a few days before we fly off somewhere else in Colombia. I'll be honest, I don't even know what to make videos of on this holiday. I want to show you like a typical house here in Bogota, which is that one there is my girlfriend's brother's house. So these are all 3-story, which is pretty cool. But they're sort of compact, not like in Australia where we sort of build outwards, where here they build upwards. Now there was no intentions of doing car content, but I did find a really cool car around the corner here, which you would have seen on Instagram that I posted on my story the other day. It has moved, so I'm hoping it comes back at some point while I'm still here, because I'm only here for a couple of days, so I can show you guys. It is a very, very cool car that I did not expect to see here in Colombia. So anyway, hopefully I can find some cool cars that sort of we don't get in Australia or anywhere else. I'll show you that stuff, and I'm just going to explore around here, show you sort of what's going on around here. I don't know. Let me know after this video if this is what you want to see. If not, too bad, I'm making it anyway.
Kikito! Hola! My God, chiquitas. Pitaya?
What the hell is that?
It's like a, it's similar like the dragon fruit.
Oh, dragon
but
fruit.
it's white inside.
This one's
instead of
papaya?
pink. Papaya. Guanabana.
Oh, I know what that is.
Oh, you have to
Coconut.
try. Coconut. Mango bichi.
Wow, there's some big watermelons.
Watermelon.
And there's no way I would try to buy something because the currency is so high, in the thousands and tens of thousands for stuff. I got no idea what I'm doing. I would end up overpaying for something, so I'm leaving the money to you.
No worries, I will do it.
What the hell is, oh,
This one.
patilla?
Well, this one. We will
What's
like
that?
this one. This one. I forgot maracuja.
Looks like a tomato.
Maracuja. But that one is maracuja.
A very good condition beetle just pulled up. I just stumbled across a panel shop. Very, very different than in Australia. You know how to drive that thing?
I'm learning.
And this is the best thing ever. It's like a combination of ginger beer and Dr. Pepper. The bomb. So many motorbikes.
Demasiados.
No one wears seatbelts, not even the police. This is how we roll 7 deep in a Kia.
Uno, dos, tres. Y uno con el yesos.
Ay, no puedo.
No seatbelts, no nothing.
No sacar los yesos.
Ya Andrea.
Experiencias, descuentos, beneficios y premios por comprar en
Love how this is just one lane, but all the cars are just driving in the side thing.
Aquí estamos aventurando
The traffic is insane.
De para acá sí se pueden venir
With all the motorbikes.
Me duele.
Por eso era mejor.
Zero road rules here.
That's why it's better to drive motorbike here.
No indicators, no seat belts, no nothing.
Come on.
Everyone just pushes in everywhere.
Come on, Mari.
So I noticed a lot of the taxis all have like alloys. This one has bucket seats in it, I don't know if you can see. I saw one this morning that had like 17s and was slammed. And why is that?
Because they like to compete between them, like who has the nicest taxi here in Colombia.
So the taxi guys like try to outmod each other. So I'll try to find some cool taxis.
No necesitábamos, pero da igual, gracias.
So these guys at the lights, even if you say no, they wash your windows anyway and you got no choice but to give them money.
You have to give money. You need to keep coins actually here in Colombia
Yeah.
for that.
You have to keep coins for stuff like there's like performers and everything at the
En
lights.
realidad en Colombia les limpia cuando ellos quieran.
They even wipe your wipers for you.
Ahora le tendrás que pagar, mami.
Si tiene coin, si tiene moneda. Sí.
Págale, mami.
He doesn't care when the lights go green.
Gracias, mi amor.
Gracias por el favor, pero nada.
Hopefully it comes across on the camera how fast these guys are going. Alright, it is now 6:30 in the morning. I have a flight in 1 hour out of here. So I'm going to try and smash out the end of this video, but luckily this car is back that I was talking about before. So I spotted this in the car park. It's a split bumper Z28 Camaro. A car I never thought I would see here, and it's actually in really, really, really good condition. Like paint is real nice, left-hand drive obviously. All the dash and everything is covered in rags so it doesn't get sun cracks. White walls, like really, really good, Nick. Beautiful car. Auto. No, it's manual. Manual. And you were saying they actually have like the equivalent of the Australian historic plates here as well, but this is just on normal rego. So I don't know what the go is there. You must drive it a lot, which is pretty cool. So anyway, now to finish this video off, I'm going to show you her brother's house. So this is in a gated community here, and all these are all the same. I'm not sure if all the floor plans are the same, but I'd assume they would be. All the gardens are the same, and you're actually not allowed to change the outside, or the outside look of this, like in Australia when something's heritage listed. So yeah, let's go. Vamos. Come on. So this one here is her brother's house. So 3-story and all full concrete. So no plaster, no wood frame, no nothing. What are the frames of these houses? I don't know. Or they're all brick.
All brick.
All brick and concrete. Policía, policía. So small lounge room in the front. This is usually a couch because there's so many of us here at the moment. We've had to make do. Yeah. There's bathrooms everywhere in this house. Dining room. slash other dining room. Big laundry. Kitchen.
Son blancos. Ellos son blancos.
Wake up.
hermano. Son blancos.
So if you couldn't tell, her brother's a police officer. And his wife. Another bedroom here, another bedroom here, another bathroom and shower. Main bedroom with big robe. This is the biggest bedroom, obviously. And right there where all those buses are is the airport, so we're super close. You can actually see the planes. I was hoping a plane would come over while we're filming this, but GoPro doesn't show how close that plane is. So that's the airport right there. Another kid's bedroom, and they even have it upstairs. Is there lights up here? Is there lights? They even have an upstairs. Oh, there is lights. With a full Toys R Us catalogue up here. So effectively 4-story. So would you say that this is like a typical house in Bogota?
Could be like in this kind of suburbs. It is like a 3-story house, like not that big.
Yeah, so as I said before, they build up instead of out.
Yeah.
Because there's not much land. So anyway, and the land's expensive. Houses are cheap, but land's expensive.
If the land is bigger, of course, biggest house.
Yeah.
Is more expensive.
But we're saying before, this house, like Australian equivalent, was like what, 140,000, 140 grand?
The previous house.
Oh, the other house. So they have another 3-story house in Bogota as well that we stayed at last time. A bit smaller, 3 stories still, but a bit smaller. And yeah, that 140 grand, that's so cheap. You can't buy nothing in Australia for 140 grand. You can buy like a nice Mercedes, that's it. So there'll probably be a couple of videos from this holiday, 3 or 4, hopefully maybe a couple, so I've got a few banked up for when I get back. Let me know in the comments after this one what you want to see around this country. I was going to do one on the food because we're going to a girlfriend's parents' village, which is very out of the way, and everything is homemade, fresh, grown, etc, all alive. Very traditional. So let me know if you want to see stuff on the food. The food here is kicking my ass at the moment, like literally. But I knew that was coming from last time. Anyway, that is going to be the end of this video. We need to eat and get out of here and catch a plane to the next place. Ciao.